Hi, my name's Kyle Foreman. We're here at Indian Trail Club to check up on a bar we recently had installed. We're here to get feedback, work with the bartenders, bar managers to find out things that we can potentially improve and make better for future bar designs, and so far the feedback has been very positive.
The bar they had previously here was much smaller. There was no window to watch paddle tennis outside. And it just didn't have as much capabilities to be able to handle the volume that this place can sometimes have.
Because this is a country club, we designed this to have high volume, high capacity for a large group of people coming in at the same time. So we have a lot of liquor display storage, double speed rails for extra liquor bottles, high capacity ice bins, a large amount of glass storage. The purpose of this is to allow them to cater to large groups concurrently.
Liquor storage is super important. More alcohol that you can store directly in front of the bartender without them having to take multiple steps. It's just going to increase efficiency.
I think that this new addition came out really nice. It serves a large paddle following. So off to the left side, there's a bunch of courts there, and everyone comes here after, and like I mentioned before, you can get a large surge of people coming after a paddle tournament. So this bar had to be designed specifically for that reason.
Chatter around the club has just been extremely positive. Everybody's really excited for the new upgrades, and we're looking forward to see what it does for its first winter season, which is going to be the busiest season. Crown always supports local businesses, and especially something that's close to one of the employees.